What's up guys, Beauty by Ada here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the triangle part box braid. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about beauty, everything hair, makeup, name it girl. You're welcome to my channel, so stay tuned. So guys, today we are going to be using our free stress braiding hair, our shine and jam, my anti-itch oil, my mousse, my comb, brushes, everything. So for some reason I'm going to be speeding up this part because it won't really show us what we want, so we have to like speed it up until we get to where I can actually demonstrate or show you guys how to do the triangle part. So just stay tuned, we'll be speeding up this part a little bit. So guys, you want to start off by parting your braids to be so neat, and I usually use, I don't know, any product you like. You can use whatever product you want to use. For me, I used the shine and jam. It helps me define my patterns very well, so I like using the shine and jam to define my parts. So guys, this is it. You want to make sure that the points are meeting up, that way to come out to look more beautiful. So I'm trying to make sure that these points they meet up. I'm still doing the same thing here, showing you guys, make sure that the points are still meeting up. So when you make your points meet up, this is what you have, like that. So this is how it will look like. It makes the braid, the patterns look more beautiful. So I'm showing you guys once again. You have to try and make the points to be meeting up. So I'll be speeding up mostly like the rest part of the braids so we can get done with it. So guys, you guys should let me know in the comment section if you would like me to do a video on gripping. I actually struggled with gripping for some time before I finally mastered it. So if you would like to see a video on how I grip my hair, I can do that for you guys. Just leave a comment and I'll definitely do that. So I'm now taking off the stray hairs, and then after that I'll be dipping my hair in hot water. And like I always say, if your child is less than 5 or can't handle hot water, please don't bother putting hot water. You can just use your mousse. Don't even bother, don't even bother. So after that, I'm putting a little something to make her hair fine, and here is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click on the notification button so that you know whenever I post videos. Like my videos and share my videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.